One last thing you want to do before you put the wheel on. Now there are these centering rings that you put on the back of the wheel as well. And you don't want to do this while the wheel is being balanced. You put this on after it's balanced. So go ahead and snap these down into place on your wheel. Then we're going to put them up on the hubs. All right, y'all, so the wheel's on, as you can tell. Man, that looks so good. I'm so excited to have these on. They look so good. Brake calipers are highlighted even more. And then really the final touch, you can get the auto leveling center hubcaps. Now, the other thing that's really cool is that the lugs that come with these wheels take a special adapter, all 5 of them. So, you can get the locking wheel lugs. In this case, all 5 essentially are. This is not something that you can come up with a 17 millimeter and take these off really easily. Okay, so now you could always put these on beforehand, but then kind of that final touch, take them and snap them into place, just like that. Man, that looks so good. I cannot wait. All right, so I'm actually gonna do the other 4 now. I'll do all that off camera because it's just gonna be the same. And I'll show you what it looks like rolling off the rack. All right, guys, wrapping up. What a fantastic day here at BIMTech. This is just gonna completely transform my car. As you can tell, I went with the gold wheels to really bring out that E30 M3 vibe that I think that the new G87 has. Now, BBS has a ton of different colors. These new unlimited wheels are incredibly cool technology. Make sure to check them out. The links for these wheels are in the video description below.